Just do the thing.
Yeah, he's looking for the. Cheers. Can test the negatives. So it's not the Rona. It's just Norwegian at all. Sorry, excuse me, it's the beer. Are immune? I've heard there's not that many that get took a hit on us. Somehow we realized. I think a reason. I don't know. I guess Corona kind of took a hit on us. Those guys over there now, cause you know. But I there are a bunch of dudes I never talked to. That I was gonna fall in.
Legs?
Yes.